Welcome to TechForce Arena, mates. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about, debated, and mysterious fifth-generation fighters on the planet. The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, Russia's stealth hunter, designed to challenge the world's top air dominance jets. But what makes it special? What makes it dangerous? And why is it so different from the F-22 or F-35? Strap in, this is going to be a full breakdown. The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon didn't come out of nowhere. It's the result of decades of experimentation, trial, failure, and redesign inside Russia's advanced combat aviation programs. The jet was created with one mission: to replace Russia's aging fourth-generation fighters like the Su-27 and MiG-29, and to give the country a true fifth-generation platform that could hold its own against the best from the United States and Europe. In simple terms, the Su-57 was meant to become Russia's crown jewel in the sky. But what really makes it unique is its design philosophy. Unlike Western jets that focus heavily on extreme stealth, the Su-57 has a hybrid identity. Russia wanted a fighter that wasn't just invisible to radar, they also wanted it to be hyper-maneuverable. A jet that can twist, flip, rotate, and dogfight at close quarters like a wild machine. That's why the Su-57 has large control surfaces, thrust-vectoring engines, blended wing fuselage shaping, and a design that emphasizes agility just as much as stealth. It's not a copy of the F-22, it's a completely different idea. Now let's talk about one of the most impressive aspects of the Su-57, its maneuverability. Russian fighters are famous for this, from the Su-30's Cobra moves to the Su-35's insane thrust vectoring. The Su-57 takes this to another level. With its 3D thrust vectoring engines, the jet can move in ways that almost defy physics. It can change direction mid-air like a hawk locking onto prey, and it can perform high-alpha maneuvers that very few jets in the world can match. If the F-22 is a ghost, the Su-57 is a wild predator that refuses to be predictable. But a modern fighter jet is much more than agility. Today, air warfare is about sensors, data, electronic warfare, and long-range weapons. This is where Russia has tried to evolve the Su-57 into a true next-gen platform. The aircraft carries an advanced radar suite with multiple arrays around the body, giving it a wide detection angle. These radars can track air, ground, and even naval targets while simultaneously jamming enemy systems. The idea is to turn the Su-57 into a flying information hub, a powerful sensor machine that feeds data directly to other fighters, drones, and ground forces. Speaking of drones, one of the Su-57's biggest strengths is its connection to Russia's loyal wingman concept. The jet is expected to fly alongside the S-70 Okhotnik heavy combat drone. When paired together, the Su-57 acts as the commander while the drone performs deep strike, surveillance, or high-risk missions. This is the future of warfare, manned and unmanned platforms working as one. Let's talk about weapons. The Su-57 has internal weapons bays to maintain a low radar signature, just like other stealth jets. It can carry beyond visual range missiles, short-range dogfight missiles, anti-ship weapons, and even air-to-ground cruise missiles. One of its deadliest weapons is the R-77M, a long-range missile with an improved seeker and range that can threaten enemy aircraft far before a dogfight even starts. The jet is also expected to carry hypersonic missiles in the future, making it capable of striking targets at extreme ranges with little warning. Now here's the big question people ask: is the Su-57 truly stealthy? The honest answer is, it depends. Compared to the F-22 or F-35, the Su-57 has a different stealth philosophy. Western jets prioritize being invisible. Russia prioritizes being stealthy enough, while keeping maneuverability. The Su-57 does have shaping and radar-absorbing materials, but analysts believe its stealth performance may be lower from certain angles, especially the sides and rear. However, Russia claims ongoing upgrades are improving its radar reduction features, especially with newer production models. Now let's move to real-world performance. The Su-57 has seen limited combat use in Syria and Ukraine. Russia has used the jet to launch standoff missiles from safe distances, testing avionics and weapon systems without putting the aircraft in danger. The combat experience is still minimal, but it does give Russia valuable data to improve future variants. The biggest issue the Su-57 faces is production. Only a small number of jets are currently operational, and full fleet deployment is still years away. But Russia says larger-scale production will ramp up, with more advanced models, including the next-gen, second-stage engine, expected soon. Despite all challenges, the Su-57 remains an important aircraft. It represents Russia's answer to American dominance in air power. It gives the country a modern platform capable of stealth missions, air superiority, electronic warfare, and precision strikes. And because it's more agile than other stealth jets, it offers a unique combination of power and flexibility. So what does the Su-57 mean for the future? It shows that the era of fifth-generation fighters is evolving. No two jets are the same. The F-22 is pure stealth and air dominance. The F-35 is a networked sensor powerhouse. The J-20 is long-range and anti-stealth oriented. And the Su-57? It's a multi-role hunter built with Russia's signature combat style, brutal maneuverability mixed with modern stealth tech. In the end, the Sukhoi Su-57 Felon stands as a symbol of Russia's commitment to staying competitive in the sky. It may not be perfect. It may not be produced in large numbers. But there's no doubt it's a dangerous machine, fast, agile, loaded with advanced systems, and designed to strike hard when needed. Thanks for watching TechForce Arena. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Su-57 Felon, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which aircraft you want us to cover next. Stay tuned, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next episode.